If you're breastfeeding for the first time, the hospital experience can feel exciting, emotional, and a little overwhelming. But knowing what to expect can help you feel much more confident. Welcome to Pump with Thilly, where we make your breastfeeding journey easier, one step at a time. After your baby is born, you may be encouraged to start breastfeeding as soon as possible, often during the first hour when both you and your baby are stable. Your baby may be placed skin to skin on your chest, which can help with bonding and support early breastfeeding. Don't worry if your baby doesn't latch perfectly right away. Some babies need time and gentle guidance. A nurse or lactation consultant may help you find a comfortable breastfeeding position and show you how to bring your baby to the breast. You may hear about a deep latch, which means your baby takes in a good amount of the breast rather than only the nipple. A comfortable latch should not feel like strong pinching or biting. During those first days, your breasts produce colostrum. It may look thick and yellowish, and although you'll only see small amounts, it is packed with nutrients and antibodies that are especially valuable for your newborn. Your baby may want to nurse frequently, sometimes seeming to feed almost constantly. This can be completely normal in the early days. Frequent feeding helps stimulate your milk production as your body adjusts to your baby's needs. You may also notice that your baby has sleepy periods, especially after birth. Your healthcare team can help you recognize feeding cues and make sure your baby is getting enough nourishment. If breastfeeding hurts, your baby isn't latching well, or you're worried about milk supply, speak up. Ask the hospital nurses or a lactation consultant for help. You do not have to figure everything out alone. And remember, every breastfeeding journey is different. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small wins, and give yourself time to learn. If this is your first breastfeeding experience, knowing what to expect can make those first hospital days feel much less intimidating. Subscribe to Pump with Thilly for more practical breastfeeding, pumping, and newborn feeding tips made for new moms.